Welcome to Island Frontlines. In this episode, we're diving into the escalating tensions in the West Philippine Sea, particularly the latest confrontation between the Philippine Coast Guard, PCG, and the Chinese Coast Guard. This Saturday, the BRP Teresa Magbanua, a Philippine Coast Guard vessel, was set to patrol near Sabina and Escoda Shoal. However, tensions escalated when the movement of BRP Teresa Magbanua was detected by Chinese forces. Almost immediately, more Chinese ships converged on the area, and Chinese Coast Guard vessel 525 made its way to Escoda Shoal. In a video capturing the incident, you can clearly see the dangerous maneuvers made by the Chinese vessel, which culminated in a collision with the BRP Teresa Magbanua. The first strike hit the port bow of the Philippine ship. Moments later, the Chinese vessel turned around, this time striking the starboard quarter, and then once again hit the port beam of the Magbanua. This incident is particularly alarming as it took place despite the fact that BRP Teresa Magbanua was not engaging in any provocative actions while stationed in the area. The Philippine vessel remained passive, simply monitoring the region. Yet, the Chinese Coast Guard carried out these aggressive maneuvers without warning. Damage was reported to several parts of the ship, including a noticeable hole, though no official estimate has been given regarding the full extent of the damage. Thankfully, none of the crew members aboard the BRP Teresa Magbanua were injured during the incident. By 3 p.m., the ship had anchored safely at Sabina Shoal. This marks the fifth time since August 19th that the Chinese have harassed Philippine vessels in the West Philippine Sea, particularly in Sabina Shoal. Despite the unprovoked aggression, the Philippine Coast Guard did not retreat and continues to stand firm in its mission to monitor the activities of China in the area. In response to this blatant act of harassment, the National Maritime Council, NMC, has expressed its concerns, emphasizing that these escalatory actions by China could significantly disrupt peace in the region. Diplomatic channels, such as the Department of Foreign Affairs, have issued statements to both the Chinese and Philippine embassies, underscoring the severity of the situation. Meanwhile, China has denied any wrongdoing and even blamed the Philippines, claiming that the BRP Teresa Magbanua was responsible for the collision. Furthermore, China continues to demand that the Philippines withdraw from the contested waters of the West Philippine Sea, warning that the development of the Philippines' defense capabilities, especially with the involvement of the United States, is a mistake. Just as tensions were boiling over, breaking news emerged that the United States Navy had deployed a reconnaissance aircraft to patrol the area near Sabina Shoal. This move further angered China, as the U.S. continues to stand firm with the Philippines in its claim over the disputed waters. China is not just frustrated by the Philippine presence in the West Philippine Sea. They are also concerned about the deployment of U.S. mid-range missile systems in the Philippines. Beijing has repeatedly called for their removal, asserting that these systems are destabilizing the region. In fact, during recent discussions in the Philippine Congress, the location of one of these missile systems, reportedly near the West Philippine Sea, was revealed. The involvement of the U.S. and its continued military cooperation with the Philippines sends a clear message. The alliance between the two nations remains strong, and they are united in defending Philippine sovereignty. This show of force is not lost on other nations either, as Taiwan has also thrown its support behind the Philippines in opposing Chinese aggression in the region. The Philippine Department of National Defense has also highlighted the importance of modernizing the country's military, particularly under the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, Modernization Program, Horizon 2. With growing tensions in the region, there is a heightened focus on bolstering defense capabilities to ensure the Philippines can adequately respond to future threats. As the geopolitical tensions between the Philippines, China, and the United States continue to play out in the contested waters of the West Philippine Sea, the question remains: how far will China push its claims, and how will the Philippines respond? Stay tuned to Island Frontlines for ongoing updates about the West Philippine Sea, military developments, and the broader geopolitical context. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments that matter most. We're committed to bringing you in-depth, real-time coverage of these critical events. Thank you for watching. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. and join us next time as we continue to track these unfolding events. Stay safe, stay informed, and always be prepared.